What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the Ultimate Diecast Collecting channel. Today we're going to check out 5 M2 machines, all very nice castings. And we're going to start off with this one right here, mostly because building these things actually kind of annoys me. Given the chance, I will always buy the ones pre-built. Not only are they cheaper, but I don't have to build them. But this purple second gen Camaro was just too awesome to pass up. So I'm gonna crack this open off screen. I'll be right back. All right, and here it is. And oh boy, I cannot tell you enough how much I dislike these M2 little building kit things. First of all, the axles are way too short. Like, it will never roll. They cannot roll because the axles are way too short. They gave me, like, looks like all 4 front tires. You know, you'd think it has some nice fatties for the back, but no. And not only that, but the engine, I had to shave down probably about half the width of each of those little pegs. There's little pegs on the inside of the engine, and there's little holes on the inside of the engine bay where they go in, but the pegs are too big for the holes. So unless you have tools and are down to customize stuff, I would not recommend these at all. At M2, if you're listening, have some better build quality. I mean, you know, give me axles that aren't too short. I mean, these wheels will never roll. It is pathetic. Okay, so that aside, let's talk about the actual model. Now, it is a beautiful purple second gen Camaro that I like. Has the Holley EFI on there, which my mechanic has on his first gen Camaro. But other than that, looks okay. The wheels, I had to squish them. I straight up had to put pliers on these and squish them down. That's the only way I could make it work. Otherwise, I was this close to just throwing it away, just throwing it in the trash. But anyway, the grill looks pretty good. It says SS on there. His lensed headlights, tails look pretty good as well. And it is a beautiful purple. And oops. And once again, there's the engine. It's really dark in here today. I don't know why. It's the same lighting setup I always use, but there's the engine. Oh yeah, and by the way, one other cool thing is that the door's open. So not only does the hood open, but the door's open too. That's pretty nice. So aside from the horrible build quality and the fact that it doesn't roll, it's pretty cool. All right, now let's get on to some more easier ones to palette. Let's see, I got one more in a plastic case. Let's do this one first. It is, of course, another Camaro. This time it's a first gen, 68 SS. Freaking awesome, if you ask me. Let's go ahead and crack this one open. That's how they should all be. They should all be in blister packs. And there it is on the little plastic thingy, which we're going to remove right now. And here we go, very nice. This time we got the first gen. It's like a metallic dove gray. Almost looks like my truck, but with metallic in there. The doors do not open on this one. Some nice chrome rims and some red line tires. And by default, they're always off alignment. But that's okay. I don't think this hood opens, and if it did, I don't even know how I'd get it open. No, it's a separate piece, but it doesn't open. Nice looking grill with the SS. Tails look pretty good, but not perfect. Looks like that one's a little bit slanted, but it's all right. It's okay. And then this one has a plastic base, and does it roll? No, it's M2. Of course it doesn't roll. It stops dead in its tracks. All right, but that's not why we buy M2, I suppose. so I guess I can cut a little bit of slack. All right, next one up. All right, we have this right here. We got a DeSoto. The new DeSoto with forward look. 6,800 pieces, so not exactly rare, but it is pretty cool. Funny story, while I found this at Walmart, and there was another collector there. He was all over these M2, but he turned this one down. This is the one he said he wanted most, but he didn't want it because the package was like this. And I was like, I'll take it. I want it. I opened them anyway. And yeah, he tried to school me. He's like, oh yeah, 6,800 pieces, so it's rare. I'm like, bro, I have some that are way more rare than that. Anywho, it's a really good looking model. Oh, it's so nice. Now, these wide white walls are much better aligned than those red lines. Very, very nice. All right, let's go ahead and remove this one from its plastic base. All right, and here is our DeSoto. A nice red and white colorway. And again, those wide white walls look very nice. Let's see, do these doors open too? Oh, wow, they do. Cool. So that steering wheel would be sitting on your lap, but that's all right. It must be in the tilted down position. Very cool. It's not going to close that well, though. See this? It is an M2 after all. It's not Auto World. Yeah, wow, that looks nice out front. That's another thing about lens headlights is like a lot of these 164 companies get wrong. Like I can see the peg in there, clear as day. You know, there's a big black circle right there in the center. You know. That's pretty annoying. I don't know why they can't make that out of clear plastic as well, you know? Anyway, let's open the hood. Let's see what happens. This is a solid black engine, which is fine. It's got a nice little wire tuck. Let's see if this door opens any better. It opens fine. How does it close, rather? Okay, that one closes nicely. This one doesn't close at all. What a shame. But overall, it's still a really nice model. I mean, look at that. Cool classic machine. Let's see, does it roll? Oh my gosh, it actually rolls a little bit. Cool. All right, put that right there. Move the packaging aside. Let's do this one next. We got us a Ford Crestline, 6,800 pieces worldwide. So guy, if you're out there watching, oh my God, I'm about to open up this super rare diecast. That here was funny. There it is. Really nice looking. All right, let's set it free from that plastic base. There we go, and there it is. What a cool looking green color. Very nice, also very metallic-y, very reflective and shiny in the light. The top is very nice, it looks almost flawless. Again, with the wide white walls, very nice. Opening door, I believe. Yep, there it goes. I'm almost afraid to open it because it might, oh, yeah, that only opens that far. The steering wheel sitting right on your lap. At least that one closes better. Let's see about the hood. Oh, check out that cool hood ornament. Wow, that's neat. All right, we got a little color in there too. Let's see. That's pretty neat. Probably an old Iron Duke. No, I'm just kidding. Nice details overall. I like it quite a bit. I think these are all plastic base. And it kind of rolls a bit. Definitely better than the first two. All right, the last one for this video. We got us a Dodge Royal Lancer. Let me know in the comments if you've ever heard of this car before, because I have not. I was kind of on a classic car kick. I saw all these in one spot, and I was like, yeah, I need some more classic cars in my collection. Got a lot of muscle, a lot of imports, a lot of Italians, a lot of trucks, but now we got some old school stuff going on here, and wow, they're really cool looking. It reminds you of the Karate Kid, when Mr. Miyagi offers a car to Daniel, and he just tells him to pick. There's all these cool, random older cars. Wish someone would do that for me. All right, dudes, check this out. Nice. Like all of these three classic cars I picked up all seem to have, you know, two main colors. They all seem to have opening doors. They're probably all from the same set. I don't know what the set is called, but oh, white interior this time, and a slightly more reasonable steering wheel. It's still gigantic in your lap, but more reasonable. And that door closes the nicest out of all of them. Again with the white walls and old school chromy wheels. Wow, probably the most detailed engine out of all of them too. That's pretty cool. I like that very much. 1955. Awesome. Yeah, okay, M2 did a good job with this one. So, I mean, I already knew this, but it's a crapshoot with M2. It's hit or miss, very hit or miss. But anyway, that was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Saturday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I post new videos once or twice a week, more or less, and I will catch you dudes next time.